Perhaps you've fantasized about plants growing on their own, without human intervention, right? Have you ever wondered why the same tulip bulb can be planted twice in a year? Hello my friends, in today's video, join us as we go on a journey to discover the most modern machinery for growing and harvesting tulips. Guess which country I'll take you to today? Join us on an exciting journey to Boon & Bragg, a leading tulip company nestled in the Netherlands. Their groundbreaking Tulpenbrouwen 2.0 project is transforming tulip cultivation with cutting-edge technology and expert knowledge. This innovative system ensures automated precision in every step, from selecting tulip varieties to optimizing growth conditions. With intelligent environmental controls, each tulip bulb thrives in the perfect setting, resulting in vibrant colors and flawless shapes. Tulpenbrouwen 2.0 Boon & Bragg showcases the pinnacle of modern tulip cultivation, blending technology and expertise for spectacular results. Arriving at the tulip field in Ronico, I was captivated by the mesmerizing broken process, a testament to the fusion of expertise and passion. Each carefully selected bulb harbored a mysterious vitality, igniting stunning tulip blooms. Witnessing the meticulous control over the environment, I marveled at the perfect timing of their blossoming. The sight of tulip pots arranged in special soil trays was breathtaking as Ronico nurtured each plant with water, light and nutrients, resulting in vibrant blooms. This process created an ideal environment for tulips to flourish, unveiling dynamic works of art in vibrant colors and enchanting fragrances, evoking a profound sense of beauty and exhilaration. Journey into the realm of tulip bulb cultivation, where innovation meets nature's beauty in the Netherlands, the unrivaled leader in producing high-quality tulips. With the aid of cutting-edge technology and remarkable machinery, this nation carefully selects and nurtures tulip bulbs, ensuring each bloom exudes unparalleled beauty and quality. Within this agricultural marvel, meticulous care and precise selection techniques converge to yield a bounty of breathtaking tulips. The Netherlands, renowned as the world's largest exporter of tulip bulbs, annually ships out an astounding 2 to 3 billion bulbs, ranging from beloved varieties to the rarest and most unique specimens. Fueling this spectacle of botanical brilliance is the Netherlands' commitment to investing in the forefront of tulip growing technology. As a leading investor in advanced machinery and equipment, this nation continues to push the boundaries of innovation, elevating tulip cultivation to new heights of excellence. The New Holland T7 270 tulip bulb planting machine is a marvel. Its precise operation swiftly places bulbs at the perfect depth for optimal growth. Operating continuously in any weather saves farmers time and effort. With advanced safety features, it's user-friendly, making flower planting easier than ever. If you're passionate about beautiful and colorful tulips, leave number 1 in the comments. Let's delve into the Loonbedrijf Niels de Wit, a top agricultural company in the Netherlands renowned for its progressive approach to tulip cultivation. Their latest investment, the Pink Planter, revolutionizes tulip planting with its intelligent features, ensuring precise spacing and effortless bulb placement. With the Pink Planter's support, the art of tulip planting becomes simpler, reaffirming Loonbedrijf Niels de Wit's reputation for professionalism and customer satisfaction. Introducing Iremec Reels by Vlaming Group BV, a leading Dutch manufacturer of irrigation systems. These reels offer efficient and dependable irrigation for agricultural fields, orchards, and parks. With over 50 years of expertise, Vlaming Group BV ensures quality and sustainability in every Iremec reel. Their flexible design and various sizes cater to diverse irrigation needs, guaranteeing efficient water supply for any area. What a breathtaking scene in Oldamp! Witnessing the John Deere Welsprout spraying yellow tulip fields left me in awe of the technology's role in agriculture. The efficiency and convenience it brings compared to traditional methods are truly remarkable. I marveled at how seamlessly the machine maneuvered through the tulip fields, ensuring even spraying and precise application of necessary chemicals. The automatic features and monitoring devices further impress me, guaranteeing accurate and effective spraying and fertilization. To channel energy and nutrients into the bulb rather than the flower, tulips are precisely severed at the early stages of blooming. This delicate operation is carried out by a specialized machine to ensure the leaves remain unharmed. Around 8 to 12 weeks post-planting, tulips burst into bloom, signaling the start of bulb harvesting. Allow me to share a tale of innovation. In the 1950s, as tulips gained agricultural prominence in the Netherlands, manual harvesting proved laborious. To remedy this, engineers devised the Flemish double-net tulip harvester, a pioneering automatic machine. Swiftly gliding along rows, it deftly trimmed tulip flowers, surpassing manual efforts. This innovation not only saved time and labor for farmers, but also elevated Dutch tulip products, captivating global markets and fueling agricultural advancement. Introducing the Coop's net harvesting machines, revolutionizing tulip production in Enkhuizen. With impressive technical specifications, this machine boasts a 6-meter width and 50-meter length, equipped with 8 wheels for easy maneuverability. Remote control for user convenience. They feature an electric drive system, optimizing efficiency and reducing environmental impact. Each machine can harvest up to 5 hectares of tulips per day, significantly boosting productivity and enhancing agricultural processes in Enkhuizen.